Hello everybody, this is a LC300 GX. Today I'm going to show you how to install a very handy kit. It's called auto mirror folding. It means like when you lock your car, the mirror auto folding. When you unlock a car, the mirror auto folding out. It's very useful when you can have a visual inspection to see if your car is locked or unlocked. You can check the states, the locking states of your car by size. The other thing is that if you're parking on the street, it will be less possibility to damage your side mirrors. Okay, let's start. This is the driver side. We need to remove the whole door card. The remove is very easy. So use the price remove tool to remove this cover. Very easy. And then this side, this switch panel, you just use this edge to push, then pry it out. Oh, it's already removed. Remove this one and press this button to remove the plug, and press this locking tab, and then remove this one. Leave here, and then leave here. We remove the covers, and there's one screw here, and use the Phillips driver. Remove this screw, and there's another screw here and another screw here, and then you can remove that screw, one and another one, two. Oh, you don't worry about that. And then there's one here. Remove it. There's a fake footlight cover. Use a flat screwdriver. Then just like this, and then release it. After release it, you use your knee to hold here. So now you can use the knee to hold here, and then here. Yeah, like this. To remove the whole door card. This is our kit. When we remove the door card, we're going to install our kit. We are going to piggyback the signal from the three connector. One connector is here, one connector is here, and one connector is on the control panel. So you won't make a mistake because these three connectors, they are different. So the first one is you press the locking tab and then remove this one. You can see which one fits. Okay, this one. That's one. There's another one here. You press the locking tab and then remove it. And then we press the back. And then there's another one is here. Is this one. Just piggyback. Okay. So simple and easy. Now we use a cable tie to make the installation very neat. There's one cable tie here. Another cable tie. Here. Another cable tie here. Then we'll remove the paper on the Velcro, and maybe you can put it here or somewhere. Put this device here. Put it here. Then we use the snipper to remove all the, trim all the cable ties. Now our installation is finished. We just put the door cutter back. We're doing some tests. Lock the car. Now you can see your car is locked by sides because the mirror is folded in. Then you unlock your car, your mirror is folded out. It's very convenient when you're in a shopping center or you know it's far away from your car. You do not need to find your key to lock again to, you know, because you already see the mirror folded in. You know, oh, my car is locked. That's the best thing I think for this kit. Now the installation is finished. It's very quick and easy. The kit is very handy. I hope you will like and enjoy it. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.